Hello and welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast, a podcast that explains legal concepts in simple terms for the general public, students, and legal professionals. Today, we're going to discuss a key strategy that every defense lawyer in civil cases should know well, and that is an counterclaim. What is a counterclaim? You may have heard the term before, but many still don't know when or how to use it. A counterclaim is when a defendant in a civil case files a claim against the plaintiff within the same case, without having to start a new lawsuit, by exercising their own legal rights that arise from the same facts or dispute presented in the original claim. For example, if you're being sued for a debt that you believe has already been fully repaid, and the title deed used as collateral hasn't been returned, you can file a counterclaim within the same case to request the return of the deed. Legal grounds for a counterclaim, Section 177 Civil Procedure Code. There are two key conditions for filing a counterclaim. 1. The counterclaim must involve the defendant's own legal right. 2. The issue in the counterclaim must be related to or connected with the original dispute so that both claims can be considered together. If the counterclaim fails to meet these criteria, such as being on an unrelated matter, conditional, filed against a third party, or legally insignificant, the court will reject it. Benefits of filing a counterclaim: saves time and costs. No need to start a new case. Gives you strategic insight. Since you've already seen the plaintiff's complaint, provides negotiation, leverage, useful for mediation or settlement. Tips for writing an effective counterclaim. 1. Submit it together with your defense statement. Under the heading, Defense and Counterclaim, no need for a separate form. Clearly explain the claim, known in line with Section 172 of the Civil Procedure Code. Include facts, damages, and the relief sought. 3. Avoid contradictions. For example, if you claim the contract is void, don't also ask the court to enforce that same contract. 4th, pay court fees. Since a counterclaim is legally treated as a lawsuit, if the court refuses your counterclaim and you are confident that your claim is legally valid, you can appeal on the court's order within 30 days. Summary: a counterclaim is a powerful legal tool that can help resolve a dispute faster, more efficiently, and in a single case. It also strengthens your position during negotiations. Make sure to follow the correct legal procedures when drafting and filing a counterclaim. Thank you for tuning in to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on future episodes. For more legal knowledge, visit our website, www.siamcenterlawgroup.com, https://www.siamcenterlawgroup.com. See you again in the next episode. Goodbye.